name is Siani. I am the Equality, Diversity, and Inclusion Manager, and I've been with IKEA 31 years. My first IKEA memory was when we went to the store in 1986 at the Woodbridge, Virginia location. My family, we were military, and we lived in Germany for 5 years. And in Germany, it was, IKEA was all over. I actually started at IKEA as a part-time bistro cashier. So I spent most of my journey, about 13 years of my IKEA journey in IKEA food. So I went from a part-time coworker through the ranks and then went into the store side of the business as a sales shopkeeper, and had multiple roles in sales and became a sales manager, all in the Woodbridge store. So I spent about 22 years in the Woodbridge location. Then I had the opportunity to be a deputy market manager in the Seattle location. So they moved me and my family over to Seattle. Nordic dining table. I love to cook, I love to entertain, and I've had a Nordic dining table for 15 plus years. This table has moved with me 5 times with IKEA. I refuse to let it go even if it doesn't quite fit the space because of the memories I have in it. I even have, and the quality, even have my daughter put stickers on one of the legs. And now she's 23 and I still have the stickers of when she put it on the leg. It means so much to me and my family. For me is the Grilla pan because I love to cook and you can make some really great food with it. Yeah, Grilla is the one that I think everyone should have. One, I have actually 3 because I use it so much. One of my favorite IKEA memories, out of many, was when we were closing the Woodbridge location, the first location, and opening the new location just across the street. And it was that bittersweet memory of closing the doors for the final time. We ensured that we had this really big party and just like everyone had an opportunity to work both closing the old store but then also having the opportunity to work in the new store to get it opened and ready for business. So that togetherness, that camaraderie, it felt like we were building our home together. What I'm looking forward to is for us to continue to grow, not just as a business, but as coworkers and as people. I really do think that what makes IKEA so unique is our coworkers and how we engage, how we start to cross that line from being colleagues to family. And I really want to ensure that continues to move forward even for another 85 years or 100 years, however long IKEA is here.